Hi, and welcome to the installation of the new CISS continuous ink supply system for the Epson 700, 710, 800, and 810. This will be the box that you receive when we ship it through eBay. Go ahead and open that, and what you receive is the piano book, which is pre-filled with ink. Now what you want to do is leave these black tabs on until you finish with the full install, because these keep the ink from leaking out. Along with that, in the box are the OEM ink cartridges that will fit directly into your Epson, and they come pre-designed to go just straight into the system. Along with that, you have your clear caps that you'll put on once the install is complete. Out of the box, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and lift the scanner lid. What that's going to do is show you the current OEM setup of the printer. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove all of the current ink cartridges. They obviously just pop out one at a time. Go ahead and place those to the side. Now, in this setup, this has an ink tube that you're going to run straight through the back of this. Now, there's a ridge in this printer along the bottom and along the lid. Now what we did is use a utility knife and carve out a little piece here and a little piece here. Now that allows for the ink tubes to run smoothly in back without interrupting the lid function, and allows it to close nicely. What you're going to want to do when you do this is place a towel to prevent any plastic shavings or anything like that to drop into the printer and keep it from functioning properly. Okay, so now what we've done is install the ink cartridges into the OEM position. Make sure that you get each one to click in securely. What we've also done is put some electrical tape covering both pieces where we've shaved off to cover up any sharp leftover edges or anything of that nature. Now what you want to do is run the tube all the way to the left of the printer, bring over the piano book over as well so you have it positioned correctly. Now what you're going to want to do is apply some moderate pressure to the corner of the unit to get it to pop out, which you can see comes out fairly easy. And then what you do is lift the lid and slide the ink tube to the back of the printer. Now a good recommendation is take an extra piece of tape and place it on the tube so it doesn't slide in and out of the area that you cut. All you need to do is put some more pressure, get the lid to pop back into place. Bring your piano book over here and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, now that we have everything installed, what you want to go ahead and do is just close the lid. Now you're going to want to go to Setup, you go to Ink Levels, and here you go. You have a full readout of ink. Go ahead and clear that out. We're going to go back home. What we're going to do now is we're going to print a picture. Okay, what we did was we went ahead and selected a picture from our SD card. Now all we need to do is go ahead and hit Start, and that is going to select a 4x6 glossy that's been installed into the print tray, and we're going to go ahead and wait for that to print. Alright, as you can see, we are currently printing a page. Give that a second to come on out. Now as you can see right off the bat, ink is dry to the touch right out of the printer. Very high quality photo, very colorful. OEM quality, if not better, for pennies on the dollar.